Here's your reminder that it's time to make rum balls because you need 10 days for them to set. So you have some time, but grab your rum and grab your graham crackers. I'm actually going to use this rum. You're actually going to need an airtight container, so it's a perfect time to use your popcorn tin or your cookie tins that you've saved over the years. I just have to wash mine really good because I keep them in the garage. And it's only 7 ingredients: graham crackers, cocoa powder, cinnamon, orange peel, powdered sugar, rum, and water. And you do want to make a double recipe, and again you need an airtight container. Okay, here we go. Now you can buy the pre-made graham cracker crumbs, but I'm just going to use crackers and pulse mine. Orange peel, cinnamon, cocoa powder. Stir dry ingredients, and you guys, this is the very best rumball recipe. The very best. The other ones online, they are not as good as this. I promise you, these are the best. There are no nuts in this one, and it's graham crackers, not vanilla wafers. Add the water and the rum and powdered sugar. Consistency will look like this, and then you're going to roll it into a ball in a bowl of powdered sugar. And you can just make your balls and shake in a pie pan with powdered sugar to make it easier for yourself. When the mixture gets dry, just add a little more rum or water to the mixture. And in 10 days, you will want to roll in powdered sugar again. Now, it is a messy process because you're making the balls in your hands, but it is so worth the mess. As you know, messy foods always taste the best. Then just line with wax paper and start filling your little airtight container. See, dirty hands, but it washes very easily. So 2 layers is a double recipe. I may quadruple it. And there's a second layer, then you're just gonna cover them and put it in the refrigerator. I'm actually gonna add the rest of this on top, the confection sugar. So I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator, and in 10 days, you're gonna open them and coat again in confection sugar. And the longer they sit, and this is why you want them to sit for 10 days, is so that they will get stronger and stronger with each day. And they are so tasty and so delicious. The best rumball recipe right here. Have a great day. Bye, friends.